Hey guys, I'm just trying to change my normal halogen bulb to the LEDs which I just bought it from eBay, and these are the bulbs, and I'm trying to change with my i40. So let's start it. So first we need to remove this cover thing, which is go like anti-clockwise if you guys try to do it. And I'll just use my both hands. It's because it's really tight because there's a seal in the and just keep, because these are the seal here, which is like really strong to just save this area with the water and all these things. We go inside the lamp. So next thing, we need to just take off the basically this clip thing. If you're trying to do with your hand, it's really hard, but I already lose it. So otherwise you guys can use a simple nose pliers which can reach it easily there if you guys have a big hands, or you're struggling to do this with. But yeah, I already loosen up. So you just take this side, turn it to the same anti-clockwise, and get this normal bulb out, which is like this. And after, don't touch the bulb area, and just try to replace with this. Just get this halogen lights here. So basically first you better just connect the wires so you can see which side is working. So I'll just do this just now. So as I told you, the first one is changed already, and we are going with the second one. So the next step, next step is we just gonna connect the wire and just check which side is working. So this side is working. You just join this one here and switch off the light. And you just switch off the light. And first step is, instead of putting the bulb, you guys better put the full wire setup inside it, which is go like there, and after you just go with the bulbs straight through. Just make sure the all wire is go inside, because these LEDs have a long wires. Once it's inside, everything is ready. Try to unlock it, and it will be set like this. And after, the next step, as we go do it with this same sealant, you go back, try to put this back as it was before. And it's tightened up, and that's the thing, guys. And after, I'll show you how it looks when it's totally done. You can see this, the both sides are done, and it looks amazing comparing to the halogen bulbs. Thanks.